Your shot at living the New York dream is here. Presenting 202 Scholes Street student accommodation, your ticket to kickstarting your academic journey as a true New Yorker. Tucked away in the vibrant heart of Brooklyn, 202 Scholes Street invites you to explore a range of carefully designed shared 4-bedroom apartments, where each private room comes fully decked with world-class interiors, a cozy bed, study station, ample closet space, and the convenience of a shared bathroom and kitchen, striking the perfect balance between privacy and camaraderie. Plus, the property provides a host of essential amenities to make your daily life a breeze, including high-speed Wi-Fi, weekly housekeeping services, and all-inclusive utilities covering electricity, water, gas, and heating. When it comes to academics, Brooklyn Law College and New York University are a short ride away, ensuring you stay at the top of your academic game. And when hunger strikes, the property's prime location puts you in proximity to fantastic dining options like Rose Diner and Código 58 Mexican and Venezuelan cuisine, all just around the corner. Plus, say goodbye to those commuting blues with various convenient bus stops and train stations being just minutes away. So don't miss out on your ultimate gateway to true New York living. Head over to amberstudent.com now and make 202 Scholes Street yours.